Hello everyone. I'll continue with the next concept in event handling. Okay. So in the last class we studied about definition of event, event handling, as well as one module called delegation event model. Okay. So in the last video we studied about event handling, as well as what delegation event model. So what is an event? If there is some submit button, and if you click on that submit button, if you click on this submit button, then it will take a transition from what this state towards some other state. That transition is called as what? Change of state is called as what? Event. Or in other words, if I click on the submit button, some event get generated. Okay. So once the event get generated, what next? That mechanism is called as what? Event handling. Okay. After event got generated, there should be some mechanism. Okay. After the change of state, there should be some mechanism. That mechanism is called as what? Event handling. Okay. So now for the event handling, that there will be some predefined set of standards, and that standards will be defined in a delegation event model. So in delegation event model, there are two things are what important. One is source, another is what? Listener. What are the source? These are the different sources. So what source will do? They will generate what? Events. Okay. Yeah. And actually sources are what? Classes. The class will going to have so many methods, and that methods will going to generate what? Events. Whenever we perform some operation on this particular uh, sources, like button, checkbox, if I perform some operation, at that time there will be some methods, and that will going to generate what? Events. Now what are listeners? Listeners will going to handle what? Events after event got generated. Actually they are what? Interfaces. There will be so many methods within that interfaces without any definition. Okay. How to establish link between these two? By registration. So what is the syntax? This is the syntax. See, all this thing I have explained in the previous video, just go through once. Okay. Yeah. So next, these are the sources, means these are the classes from which we'll get what? Event get what? Generated whenever we perform operation on this particular component. Okay. So class contains so many methods, and that methods will going to generate what? Events whenever we perform some operation on button, list, text box. Okay. Or a scroll bar. And these are what? Listeners. Listeners are what? Interfaces. Sources are what? Classes. So source contains so many methods, and that will going to generate events. Listener contains so many methods, and since that is interfaces without any definition. Okay, that definition we should define according to what? Our requirement. Okay. Yeah. So these are the different listeners, and these are the methods associated with each listeners. Okay. Yeah. So action listener is having only one method, so whereas component listener is having what? Four methods, and each method will not going to have any definition. Why? Because these are what? Interfaces. We should define this one according to what? Our requirement within what? Our class. Okay. So I think you know registration form, a Gmail registration form. If people have a Gmail ID, correct, right? So before you getting a Gmail ID, you should fill what? Some form, and that form is called as what? Container. Within that form there will be some text box, scroll bar, so, uh, uh, menu buttons, and those things are called as what? Components. So within that Google form, whatever that is present, we'll call that one as what? Components. This entire form is called as what? Container. Okay. Yeah, these are the different methods. So these are the next set of what? Listener listeners, and these are the corresponding methods associated with each and every corresponding listener. Okay. So these are about interfaces name, and these are the method associated with those interfaces without any definition. This must be defined by within what? Our class, according to what? Our requirement. Okay. Yeah. So next we will see what the classes, source classes. So this will go to this are the classes will go to generate events. So what's the first class? Action event class. When this will going to perform when this will go to generate event, if button is pressed, if some item is selected from what list, if I perform any such operation, this will go to generate what? Event. So there is only one constructor within this class, and three methods, and there are few constants. Just remember those names. Okay. Yeah. Next one is what? Adjustment event class. Suppose if I do scrolling, at that time this will go to generate what? Event, and there's only one constructor, and three methods, and there are some predefined constants. Okay, yeah. Next one is what component event class. Whenever a resized or hidden are made visible, that time it is going to generate what event, and there is only one constructor, one method, and four built-in constant within this class. Okay, just remember those names. Okay, next one is container event class. Whenever components what added or removed, this will going to generate what event, and there is only one constructor and two methods within this class, as well as what two predefined constant. Next one is what focus event. Suppose if I done any focus, okay, at that time this will going to generate an event. So only one constructor, okay, and two methods and two predefined constant. Okay, yeah. So input event class, this is actually subclass. Okay, and subclass of component event class. This class is responsible for handling input events. NC subclass of this class are key event and mouse event classes, and this class containing only one constructor, so same name as that of that class, and three methods as well as some predefined constants. Okay, so key event class, this will going to generate if I press a key or release a key, and there is only one constructor and one method and three predefined constant. Okay, yeah, these are the different classes which will going to generate what events. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you.